Hello everyone, got another parcel from Aliexpress. I know what it is because it tells me on the box. I'm excited to get it open. It is a home surveillance camera, which utilises cloud storage. We'll open it up. Comes with a 32GB memory card. Instructions for Amazon Web Services. The camera itself. Some screws and plugs for mounting it to your wall or ceiling or whatever. Plug, charger cable, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh yeah, that's what screws onto the bottom. Yeah, this is auto tracking, so when somebody walks past, it'll track them. This turns and this rotates back and forth. There's an antenna on it for the Wi-Fi. It's 1080p video. Now, I've never used one of these before, so I have no idea how you set it up. So when I figured that out, I'll be back. Oh, by the way, there's a link in the description where you can enter a giveaway. I'm giving one of these away with memory card. So yeah, if you want to visit that link, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I know I said I was going to be back showing you how it works, but I've decided to make a separate instructional video, otherwise this one's just going to be really long. So I just thought I'd show you the sales page and some of its features. I got it with the 32GB card. I actually got it for less than that. It was on offer. You can see how many orders it's got, and how many reviews it's got. 4.8 out of 5. That's pretty good. Let me scroll down. You can see some of the features here. Cloud storage. You can use an SD card. 1080p video. Uses Wi-Fi. It has two-way audio. It automatically tracks people or animals, whatever. It has night vision and you can access it remotely. You can see how that works there. So what I'll do next is I'll show you some actual footage, both in the daytime and in the night time, so you can see how night vision works.